So with a track like this, it's pretty self-explanatory for the route at least. So I won't be going in too depth about that, really just looking at the video and just seeing how to do the route. But there is key points in the track, like for example, the barrel roll. You need to get a good barrel, and you also need to be getting a good 360 on that massive ramp. But we'll get into that later. First, we need to look at the glitch run. Yes, this track does have a glitch, so if someone just magically comes in front of you, right, they most likely did the glitch. So in this run right here, it shows the glitch, and I'll go into detail about how to do it. Okay, so you see the 3 arrows pointing you to the left. Look at the last one. Align your car going left to that. You want to make sure that you are looking at that arrow. Turn to the left here, and then there should be holes in between the walls. And you want to align your car for the second one. So then you skip the first one, right? And then you go for the second one, and you bash your car in the middle of the 2 walls where that hole is. This should make your screen go black, and in this run, I thought I didn't do the glitch since I've never done this glitch before, right? I thought that it failed. But actually, if it goes black, just stay in the race, and you should respawn past the 360-degree turn. Now, for the rest of the run, you will be in invisible mode. The only way you can see the track is by looking at the minimap. So as long as you're looking at the minimap, and as long as you look at where that arrow is pointing, you should be able to do this run while not being able to see anything though. So it is pretty challenging, but you can do it. Now for this last turn, I messed up really badly. I went extremely wide, hit the wall, and I lost about 0.500. So really, you could get a sub 36 in a 1-star if you know how to do it. Yeah, so this next run is the run without the glitch. And like I said in the beginning of the video, right, there's only like some small details that need to be worked out in order to get a good run. So yeah, we're going to make a left turn here, just normal. People like to dump their nitro in this straightaway, but I don't. I like to tend to just use it right here on that right side turn. Do a 360 to the left, and once you land, drift to the right to stop your 360. Keep your gas on this whole entire turn, and then go for a double barrel on that turn. Stop your nitro halfway through, and then do a gasless turn to the right. Go to the left with that nitro. Do a little brake nitro there to save as many nitro as you can. And then whatever nitro you have left, dump it into that last turn going right, and that should be the whole entire run. I will say that a good pace locker is to make sure whenever you pass that parked car, I think it's around here. Yeah, so there is going to be a parked car. Whenever you go past the parked car, if you're around the 30-second mark or faster, then you are on a really good pace, at least for a 1-star. So that's what I like to keep my eye on whenever I look at the time. I only look at it during like once or twice during a race. But whenever I pass that parked car, if I look at the time and I'm slower than 30 seconds, might as well quit because that's not going to be a good run. Anyway, so then yeah, I also do a little nitro leech right there. And yeah, same thing as I said earlier. Just dump your nitro in that last turn and that should be the run.